how are you? So today I'm going to show you how to wash your bathtub with vinegar and baking soda. So this is going to be a really short video but a really detailed one. I'm going to tell you that we need two things, obviously baking soda and vinegar, but you can use any vinegar. It can be apple cider vinegar or the other one, but most economical is white one, so you can use white, but it works like both of them work. So if you have the apple cider vinegar, it works also. The next thing I want to talk about, that it doesn't matter that if your bathtub is white or any other color, it works on any color, and the baking soda won't make your bathtub any patchy with white patches or something like that. So it works for every color and it will make it shiny and clean. Basically our main aim is to make it clean, like really clean, so this purpose will solve, don't worry. Okay, and I'm using brush, but if you don't have brush, then that's perfectly fine. You can just spread it around, and you can use a glove. You can wear the gloves and just spread it with your hands, or you can just leave it like that, and once you rinse it with water, it will be clean. So no need to worry about, like, if you don't have a brush, you can totally do it without brush also. And the other thing, you can use this method on all of your bathroom. As you already know that I made a video on how to clean your bathroom, and it was really successful video, and you really guys like it because I use very inexpensive materials and ingredients, and I use it, like, I did it very quickly. So this method also, the baking soda and the vinegar, you can just do it all over your bathroom. It will make it really clean, and more importantly, it will disinfect any diseases or infections or any bacteria that is present on your bathroom. So without further delay, now sis, let's go and do it, and I will show you the ingredients and everything that we need. So let's go and do it. So these are the two things that you need. You need a baking soda here, and I'm using the spray bottle for the vinegar, so it will be easy to use. I'm also using the brush, so if you don't have a brush, as I already told you, you can use sponge or just leave it like that also. I'm using a little bit of, like, I have a brush, so I'm just using it. So let's do it. So when you're starting out, make sure the stopper is on because I don't want any mixture to go in the drain and it will waste. So I'm just gonna pour. As you can see, I'm pouring. You don't have to go too much because the vinegar will do all the magic. So this is all done. I'm using a little bit of amount, and I'm going to take the vinegar. And one more tip is that you can mix the vinegar with the water or with the detergent or any detergent or any powder, anything like that, because it will give it a more cleaning and make it more stronger. So you can see I'm spraying it, and it is spraying all over. As you can see, I already spilled the vinegar in it, and it won't come, like, you don't have to wear a mask, but if you want to wear a mask, you can. And you can already see the dirt is getting to accumulate on this, and I personally think that you can use water with vinegar and it works wonders. It don't have to be a foamy, because it usually, if it sits down for like 5 minutes, it usually do all the effect. So I'm gonna leave this all for like 5 minutes, and then we're gonna come back. And now I'm gonna do it all over the bathroom, but I'm just gonna leave it for 5 minutes. So it's already 5 minutes. I already washed it with the water, and as you can see, it's shining already, and all the stains and everything is gone. This is an awesome way, and I'm gonna pour more water and just make sure that every particle of the baking soda is clean, but it's all safe, so you don't have to worry. But you guys, this is amazing. Okay, how was that, sis? I know it was amazing, and when you use it in your bathroom, it will do wonders for your bathtub, and it will always make it like disinfect and like free of the diseases. So do try it and let me know how was it, and I'll be waiting for your comments.